SB19 nagbanding sa Disneyland after their 2-day Hong Kong concert. After their 2-day sold-out concert in Hong Kong, our boys are spotted in Disneyland.
What's up, guys? Hey!
Ang saya makita na after their concert ay hindi sila umuwi agad, rather they go out and have fun. Lalo na dito sa Hong Kong na 2-day concert. Their next stop will be in Japan.